Hello traders, and welcome to the nightly review of our focus areas from the Day Trade Numbers data report. This review is for December 1st, 2011. You can receive the data reports and get the focus areas each trading morning by subscribing through our website at www.daytradenumbers.com. Let's start the review tonight by looking at the S&P E-minis. Today the focus area is called the bottom, and we called a swing point in the middle, and our focus area at 1252 was just outside of today's highs, so you can see the focus areas performed fairly well today. Moving on to the NASDAQ, the focus areas today called the bottom, called a swing point in the middle, which was resistance, and then once it broke through later became support, and also called the top. The focus areas today on the Russell called the low, acting as support, and early in the morning we broke through resistance but quickly turned back down, and later in the day that focus area was actually the resistance. The Dow focus areas today performed very well, calling both the bottom and the top, so if you place trades in those ranges today, getting long at the bottom and closing it out at the top, you would have had some good profits. Moving on to crude oil, the focus areas today called both the top and the bottom, as well as some support and resistance throughout the day. The focus areas today on gold performed similar to the oil. They called both a top and a bottom, and some swing points in between that acted as support and resistance. Looking at the SPY, the focus areas today called both a top and a bottom, as well as some resistance today that acted after 2 p.m. Looking at the QQQ, the focus areas today called the top and the bottom once again, as well as some resistance at around 12:30, which once broken at just after 1:30 became support for the rest of the day. The focus areas today on the IWM called the bottom, as well as some resistance that was seen during the day, mostly starting around 2 o'clock, and it was unable to get through this and fell back down to the other focus area at the low of the day. The focus areas today on the DIA called the bottom as well as the top, acting very well, and could have made some good trades today off of these focus areas. Thank you for viewing the Day Trade Numbers nightly review of our focus areas from the data reports, and remember, if you would like to get the data reports as well as the focus areas, please subscribe through our website.